Hey guys, very good afternoon. This is Sandy from Sunday Page. Hope you guys doing good. Stay safe. Uh, so so this video is all about which I'm talking about mutual funds where I book my 23% returns in a cumulative of 3 years. So what I did, which are the funds I invested, so how much amount I invested in the SAP. So let's see in this video. So getting to my video stuff, and I'm going to my mutual fund app. So I'm giving my password. So far I invested this amount because right now almost like four funds got closed by today because I plan to take out my profits. That's the reason. And so six funds are running. All six funds it takes like almost like still 2 years are going to there because the end date, you can see the end date 20 Feb 2023, still 2 years or more. So right now which I'm going to funds like see my four funds I'm planning to exit right now. So probably I talking to my broker. So I'm planning to exit my all funds. Couple of four funds I'm planning to exit. So this is one of my funds. So I invested like 1.3 lakhs in this fund, more than loss fair, and I got returns almost like 22,000. And same like other funds, HDFC hybrid, same almost like 31,000 Indian rupees profit. And the next fund would be Kotak Flexi Gap. Again, 30,000 is profit. So you can see almost like all the funds which I invested like monthly 3,000 rupees on each fund. And so four funds I invested for this short term period. So I plan to exit, and this is another fund, L&T. L&T given a huge return for me, almost like 42% profit, and 40,000, 47,000, 47,624. So almost these four funds I've invested in past 3 years. 36 months I invested like almost like 5.69 lakhs. That is my overall investment for these four funds, and the returns would be, the profit returns would be 1.315 lakhs. That's the profit returns. And when you see the percentage of cumulative percentage, the average percentage would be 23.12 percentage as a profit returns for past 3 months. So this is what our mutual fund is works very well because stock market, if stock market raises, mutual fund raises. If stock market raises, always, or economy also raises. So stock market is I would say is a very core subject, a core interface for both the stuffs as well as mutual fund and Indian economy. So always